Delivers power to monitors, printers, scanners, and any device that is powered by C14 inlet. Durable design and strict regulations allow this cable to be used in demanding environments. Blue transparent connectors. This 14 AWG hospital-grade power cord features an NEMA 5-15P connector at one end and an IEC C13 connector at the other end. It's designed and tested to connect computers, laptops, monitors, or other devices in hospital environments in medical settings. In the US and Canada, the power cords used in a medical environment must be hospital-grade. Cablelera's hospital-grade power cords all include the green dot marking on the 5-15P plug. The green dot assures cable meets strict regulations to allow it to be used in hospital and medical settings. Connector 1, NEMA 5-15P hospital grade. Connector 2, IEC C13. Connector color, clear blue. Cable color, gray color. Jacket type, SJT. Total length, 10 ft. Wire gauge, 14 AWG. Amp rating, 15A. Voltage rating, 125 volts. Certification, UL, CUL, CSA, RoHS and REACH. Top reviews from the United States. Well-constructed durable cable. This cable was exactly what I was looking for and appears to be well constructed, works for my application, power amp, and priced fairly. Thanks.